going to see the big tree, if there is any fruit here. Not even one. Like olive, one year give lot, 1 year give just a little bit. But this one doesn't give anything. All the trees empty. What are you doing in the middle of the road? I told you don't cross the road, it's dangerous. Come. Go here somewhere safe. Look, someone is very nice. Hit me. Go. Go this way. Go this way. This is walnut, green walnut. Walnut, green walnut. Much is left, only few. We got the fruit from the car, one after one. We get first the walnut, and now wild berry, and here there is the, look, fig now. Green fig, beautiful, but it's not ready yet. Still green. Need another 1 month. From our bazaar as well. Apricot, beautiful apricot. You know, going up to the mountains, everything's fresh and free. This is apricot free from the mountains.